4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I did this super easy and quick slick side ponytail. So as you can see right now, I've already pre-slicked my hair down. I'm actually wearing my do-rag, so I'm actually selling this color do-rag, which is black with the navy trim, and I'm also selling the all black with the gold trim. I sell them on Amazon. I'll leave the link below in my description box. And yeah, I basically sleep in those every night because I used to use scarves all the time, but then I was like, do-rags are way more convenient and I can tie them however tight I want and they don't slip off in the middle of the night. So yeah, if you're interested or want to support me, I would really appreciate if you click that link. So I'm actually using my leftover weave from prom. So I had about a bundle and a half left over of unused hair when I got my sew-in for prom. So I basically got this bundle out, I brushed it out, and right here I folded the bundle into one. So it's a full long strand of bundle and I overlaid it into one thicker strand of bundle, I guess. So what I did here was bobby pinned it down to secure it, and then I'll just wrap around.